Today we're opening a Prismatic Evolutions Mini Tin. This one features Vaporeon. Inside you get 2 packs of Prismatic Evolutions, 1 glittery Eevee coin, and 1 art card. On the back, the art card tells you about, you guessed it, Vaporeon. Let's get to the packs. Starting with Black Belt's Training, Riolu, Professor's Research, Duskull, Earthen Vessel, Rescue Board, Diplin, Glaceon, Houndour, and Glaceon again. Now for the second pack. Badoo, Spiritsy, Roto Stick, Cottony, Lacey, Howlucha, Techno Radar, Noibat, Jolteon, and Iron Boulder.